tourist bus. Siyempre po yung oro ng bus natin ay mga tourist. Baka naman po natin ang bawat isa. Ayan.
Go! Kuya, wag lalagay yung kamay. Diretso lang po. There.
Hindi sila galit. Hindi sila sa tubig na.
Nasanay na sila ma'am. Pero kung sa wild, talagang takot po ang mga
Lizard, malaki.
Ano ito? Crocodile ba yan?
Small crocodile.
Crocodile yan?
Para siyang lizard. Oh, wag kayo, wag kayo. Ibig na. Go, there. Picture kayo, Blair? Let's go. Colton. Hawak, Blair. May butterfly na. Go, walk kayo.
Takot ka pala. Takot ka sa...
Go, walk. Ayan, kuya. Ayan, Blair. Walk.
Pwede ko kuhanin.
Hawakan lang. Ayun, baby. Ayun, lapit kayo doon. Ayun. Ayun.
Opo, yung press na sinunod siya.
Paano pa nagutom siya?
Eh, papakainin po.
Hindi, nakain siya ng ibang ano. Kaya dapat laging busog.
Hindi po, basta maintain naman po yung pakain ko.
Nakain niya o...
Third row naman po, third row. Ay, nabot po.
Ang laki niya.
Nabot na lang, anak-anak, okay lang. Isa pa, isa pa. Yeah, isa mo konti. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Okay. Ay, hindi. Jump. Luma na po. Jump. Ay, pababa na. Okay. Bye-bye to. May picture niyo po si Tom.
In reverb, our itos as the true owners of the forest. Indeed, this is our ancestral land. Okay po, for the first dance is the dragonfly dance. Whenever you see a group of dragonflies swarming around, this indicate the arrival of rainy season. Along with the rainy season comes the planting season. And also informing the whole tribe about the sudden changes of
Picture kayong dalawa dito. Tingin kayo dito, Colton, Blair. Game. Blair, Colton. 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 Ayan na, gumagalaw. Ayan. Ayun, ang look nyo. Wak kayo dun, wak kayo dun. Go, walk dun. Colton, Blair, tingin po. Colton, Blair. Okay. Balak nyo. Sige, walk kayo dun. Ano yun? Look nyo yun. Sige, lapit ka. Saan siya? Lakad dito. Doon kayo, baby. Doon kayo, walk kayo. Okay, walk. Baby, walk doon po. There, walk ka doon. Look nyo, baby, ano na sa taas. Kakatu. Black Pond Kakatu. Awak po, awak. Opo.
Mami, gusto ko yung kanina.
Alin?
Yung pinakita ko sa'yo.
Meron dyan, meron dyan. Kaya lalakad ka dyan. O kayo? Ayan na, baby. Yeah. Po, ayan na po siya. Ayan na, look mo. Ayan na, baby. Tingin kayo. Colton, Blair.
Ayan ba yun, me? Me, ano yan?
Oh.
Kulay red. Eyes niya. Mami, bakit kulay red pa eyes niya?
Opo. Ganun talaga yung eyes nila. Let's go.
Mami, tingnan ko na yung...
Look, kuya. Tingin ka po dito. Colton.
Tingnan natin yun.
Sige po. Sige.
Ito mo, no?
Ringneck dove.
Meron ba, no?
Dove, anak. Blair.
Asan meron? Asan yung ibon?
Blair, look. Ito, bebe. Ayun, baby. Blair, Colton.
Ayun o, nakadapo. Ayun o. Balinsag.
Pamuhawakan, Blair. Colton. Oh, ano yun? Saan? Okay, let's go. Tingnan nyo, yung eagle. Nasaan na? Ayun siya, baby. Kalta na. Yun o, kita mo? Blair, kita mo? Yun. Ostrich na. Baby, wag lalapit ha. Tutukin ka niya. Colton, Colton. Tingin kayo, baby. Blair, Colton. Colton.
Mami, may dapat ka ba yan? Mami, mamayang gabi sa...
Colton, Blair, look po. Blair.
Nag-aaway sila. Ako na ba yan?
Opo, ayun siya.
Yan yung ano? Na?
Opo.
Hello! Natulog yung isa. Tiger. Natulog yung isa. Tiger.
Ayun o yun. Blair, Blair dito. Blair. Colton, ano ba siya? Doon sa taas. Oh, hindi. Kaya bilisan mo.
Haba no?
Bilisan mo. Baka maabutan tayo yan.
Wala to?
Wala pa.
Ano ba yun na?
Nga po. Oo, bilisan nyo. Halin nyo. Oops, no. Blair. Colton, Blair.
Dolphin! Dolphin! Sirain yan?
Yeah. Harap ka dito kay mama. Blair, dyan sa kita.
Ayaw mo na. Okay, next slide.
Go, kuya.
Look, I got the sticker!
What's his name? Dookie. This is Dookie, our Philippine Scout owl. And he has a friend here, the bigger one. Check it out. Alright, there you go. That is Cactus, our Philippine eagle owl. Sa Tagalog, ang tawag sa kanila ay Quadro. And owls, they are nocturnal. Which means they are more active during behind time. And they have an amazing eyesight, so they can catch the wheel even in complete darkness. So they have specialized feathers that help them muffle their sound. Well, now here, just like our castle friend, he's busy at night finding food. So his eyesight is also excellent in the dark. But his specialty, his very sensitive sense of smell. Okay, now let's try it. I have some bear cat. Well, seeing that long bushy tail, it helps him balance on the vine. And the tail is prehensile, so we can handle it. Wow, just like that. Hey. And that's a bit more. We will have some of his favorite fruits, like banana, apple, mango, melon, and even egg. And the turong sa Balato say couple, when they are happy, they have a high-pitched wail. When they are annoyed, they will howl, grunt, and wheeze.
Followed by the new bottlenose dolphin. His name is Hansel. You know what? These dolphins are very friendly. Now, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish. Are they? They are mammals, that's right, just like you and me. But how can you tell? See? It moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. Now, but we all know that our marine mammal friends drink air. But how do you think they do it? Now folks, how about the round of applause?